of the characters. Now you tell me what are the characters. I'll show you the this pictures and show me. These are monkey. Yes. So these are the characters of this story. Next is rabbit. Rabbit has long ears and long teeth. Yes. Now this one. Fox is very clever. Clever fox. You must have heard the story of clever fox. Yes. Next is tiger. Yes, this is tiger. Okay. So let's begin the story. So once there was an elephant. Yes. Once there was an elephant. He don't have any friends. No, he don't have any. You all have friends? Yes. But this elephant don't have any friends. He used to move here and there in the jungle. Okay, he used to move alone in the jungle like this. And then in search of friends, he used to move here and there. And then he find one monkey. Yes, he find one monkey in the jungle and he asked monkey, monkey, can you be my friend? To this, what monkey replied, you know? What he must be replying? Monkey said, no dear elephant, you are so big, you are so huge, I can't be your friend. What monkey said? You are so big that I can't be your friend. You don't climb on trees like me. Monkey climb करते हैं trees पे? Elephant can do that? No. So like monkey climb on trees from here to there, but this elephant can't do. That's why he said, dear elephant, you are so big and you can't climb like me, so we can't be friends. So monkey what said? Monkey said, we can't be friends. So by listening to this, elephant started, again he becomes so sad, so upset, and he started moving into the jungle. Very good. He started moving into the jungle like, I want to be his friend, but nobody is my friend, and he becomes so sad, and he's moving into the jungle. Then afterwards, he found one rabbit in the jungle. Yes, and what he said to the rabbit? Rabbit, will you be my friend? To this, what rabbit said? No, because you are so big, you are so a jumbo size animal. So I can't be your friend. You can't play in my barrow also. This rabbit used to play in the barrow, but this elephant can't get into his barrow. So he said, you are so big and you can't be into my barrow. You can't play with me. That's why we can't be friends. To this, then again, what happened to elephant? Sad. Yes. He becomes so sad. Again, he moved into the jungle in search of friends. He said, oh my God, I'm so bad. I think my size is so bad. Like nobody wants to be my friend. And he used to move here and there in the jungle alone, crying, shouting, like, oh my God, why nobody is my friend? Then again he thought, let's ask some other person, other animal to be a friend. Then he found one frog. Yes. Then he found one frog in the lake. He was jumping in the lake. Then he came near to the frog and said, hello frog, how are you? To this, frog replied, yes, I am good. You say? He said, then elephant said, dear frog, will you be my friend? in lake or in the ground. You can't jump like me, so we can't play together. So we can't be friends. So again, what happened to elephant? Again, now he started crying so much. Now he is crying so much. See, he started crying. He is crying so much. Now, again he was started moving into the jungle and in search of friends. Again he started moving into the jungle in search of friends. So now the next trend he wants to search fox. Now he came across the fox and he said, "Hi dear fox, how are you?" So what fox said? "Yes, I'm good. How are you?" He said, "I'm not fine." Why he's not fine? Because he don't have any friends. He said, "I'm so lonely. I'm so alone. I'm feeling so lonely. I'm so alone. That's why I don't have any friends." So he want to be his friend. So he asked Fox, "Mr. Fox, can we become friends?" So what Fox said? Again he said, "No, Mr. Elephant, we can't be friends." Why? Because you are so big, you are so huge, you have a long trunk, you have a long body, so we can't be friends. And I run so fast. You have heard Fox? You have saw Fox? How he runs? Yes, he runs so fast. An elephant can't do that. Is it? So he ran away by saying that. What he said? "I can't be your friend because I run so fast and you can't play with me." So he ran away. Then what happened to elephant? Sad. He became so sad. Now he's crying. Started crying. And he sat at one place. And what he said? "Oh my God, nobody is my friend now. I have to live in this life alone." And yes. Yes. I'll tell you. Wait. Okay. So after that, what he said? Oh my God, he was crying like anything. He's shouting, he's crying. He was so angry also. Why God made me like that? Like I'm so jumbo kid. Why I'm so big in size? So after that, he heard some noise. You know what noise he heard in the jungle? That all the animals, all the animals are running in the jungle. In the forest, they all are running like anything. And they are shouting, they are crying. Why they are doing so? Because this tiger, he is after them. And they all are running and this tiger is after them. Why they are running? Because this tiger wants to eat them. He wants to kill them. That's why they all are running, shouting like help us, help me. Everybody is screaming like this. What they are saying? Help. They are asking for help. Why they are asking for help? Yes, he's chasing them. And this tiger is he's so angry that he wants to kill every animal. He wants to eat them. So he was just after them and they all are running so fast here and there. They all are running. And listening to this noise, elephant heard this noise now. This elephant heard this noise that why these animals are so shouting, crying, why they are crying. Then he came across one monkey. So he said, after us and he is chasing us and he wants to kill us. And somebody he has already eaten up. कितने सारे को ये इसने खा लिया है. So he wants to eat us all. He wants to kill us. So we all are running for our lives. सब अपनी अपनी जान बचा के भाग रहे थे, है ना? What they all are doing? They are just running out of their lives. To save their lives, they all are running. So elephant said, "Don't worry, I'll do something." What elephant said? I'll do something. He thought, let me talk to tiger. Okay? So what he said? Let me talk to tiger. Maybe he'll help it. Okay. To this, monkey said, okay, do whatever you want to do. We just want to save our life and we all are running. And he just hiding ourselves from tiger. And this elephant came to tiger. And what he said to the tiger? Dear tiger, now you stop chasing all the animals and stop killing them. So what tiger said? What tiger said? No, I will not do that. You just mind your own business. I am not going to scare you also. He said, what he said? You just mind your business. Then what tiger said? Please dear tiger. This elephant, what elephant said? Please dear tiger, you just they are so poor animals. Please don't eat them. What he said? They are so poor animals. They are so small by their size also. And don't eat them. Don't kill them. Please, for God's sake. Then what tiger said? No, I am going to kill them. I am so hungry. I want to eat them. And you just go out of it. What he said? You just go out of it. I will do what I want. I will do what I want. Yes. Then what elephant said? Now he will not understand by the words. अब ये बातों से नहीं मानेगा. What elephant said? Now he will not understand by words. Now I have to give him a good, hefty kick. What he did? He kicked him. What he did? He just kicked him like this, and he just like this, He kicked him. Then after that, what all the animals? Then he went to all the animals and he said, "Hello, now it's a good news for you all." What's the good news? Can I? What? So what's the good news? He kicked the tiger. Now all the animals can live happily. So he kicked that tiger. So all the animals and he said that dear animals, now you can live happily in the forest as I made him run away from the forest. Now this tiger will not be able to trouble you anymore. Now this tiger will not be able to trouble you anymore. So one by one, all the animals came to the elephant and said, "Thank you, dear elephant." Now all the animals came to the elephant and said, "Thank you, dear elephant. You are so kind, you are so caring, and you helped us. So thank you so much, dear elephant." What they said? Why they said thank you? Because he helped them. And he saved their lives. The tiger is going to kill them, so he saved their lives. So that's why they thanked them. And they said thank you. So it's not like size that matters in the friendship. आपको friendship में आप भी see that कि size देखते हैं ना किसी का, ये छोटा है, ये मोटा है, ये big है, small है. It's not like that. But these animals were saying that कि या आपको you are so huge, you are so big. So in friendship slowly. Hope you like it. Do you like it?